source. I will disable you. Okay. Okay, let's start. So first I will show you, this is the map that we will be generating. Okay, I will disable this one. Okay, disable this one. Okay, so this is like a reference data set from, so actually you can add reference, no, not in this one, in the map here you can add a base map. So for the sake of example, I'm adding the base map, like example, this type of base map. Okay, I will disable this one. Okay, so example, this is our base map, and we will plot the weather station. No, not weather station. In my case, I have this stations. This is these are tide gauges, okay, in the entire world. So I will plot all of the stations, so tide gauges of all stations around the world. So we have lat and long. And how can we plot this one into the GIS? And we have another data, like the name of the station, the coastline, the code, and flag, yes or no. There's something in the flag, there's something, if yes, there's something wrong that you need to check the information. But this is not important to us, because our intention for today is to plot the data from Excel using the lat long. Okay, so how to do that? So we will access this file. So you can right click the map and then add data, check where did you put your data set. So where did I put this one? This is a CSV file. You can use also the Excel file. So in this case, I am using the CSV file, and then I will add. Now it will not display yet, but you have the tables that will display if you check this one. Right click and open. So it will display the information of this CSV file here. So same with the CSV data or the Excel data. Okay, so I will close this one. Next is, how can I plot this information in the map? So right click this one and right click the CSV data and then display XY data. There's a window that will pop up. Let's wait. And it will ask, just wait. Why it's loading? So the input table came from the CSV file, and the X is the longitude. So these are the information of your CSV. So the longitude, and the Y is the latitude. It's up to you if you will put data on the Z. In this case, I don't need to put anything because I just want to plot the information of the location of the tide gauges in the world. Coordinate, I will use the default coordinate for this one because I am using the entire world. If I am using a certain country, I will check the UTM of the universal, I forgot, Mercator in a certain country. Since I am using the world, I am using the WGS 1984. Okay, and click OK. Wait for a while. see, it will there's an error, but this is there is a warning. This is only a warning, so just neglect this one, and it will display all the data set, no, of your Excel data. And next, this is not yet a zip file, so we will convert this one into zip files. So here it will display in the table of contents of the GIS. It will display here. So right click this one, and then data and export. We will export it to become a CSV file. Export, and then the location, where do you want to put? In my case, I will use the default database location, and I will name it as world stations. World _ stations. Okay, and okay. I can now remove this one because I have now the zip file of my station. Okay, so if you will check this one, this is now your data. It is located in the geo database. This is the reference, so no need to explain this one because the purpose is just to plot. So you can now remove the table, the Excel file in your GIS, and that's it. You have now the special location of all the stations in your study area. Question: can I display the name of the station? Yeah, it's very easy. Just right click this one and then label, and then right click again, go to properties. It will display the label, but that's the number. Okay, you can change this one. Like example, go to right click and go to labeling properties. Okay. What do you want to display? The name. In this case, I will display the name. I will remove this one and double click the name and apply. And close. What's the name of this one? These are the names of the stations. So it will also display the name of the stations. Unfortunately, since the stations are near, when you zoom out, yeah, it will be cluttered to see. Okay, but at least you will know now how to display the data from Excel using the map. Okay. So that it will load a little bit late because of the memory of the computer. So that's all for this presentation. It's very simple presentation, but I know it's very meaningful in you try to plot your stations in your study area. So that's all for today, and see you for the next video.